What if I told you the most powerful tool to transform your life isn't your phone, not some new productivity app, and not even a life coach, but something you already have in your pocket? A pen. Yes, a simple pen. Because when used intentionally, it can change the way you think, feel, and live. Think about it. History was rewritten with signatures. Ideas became empires through notes. And people have changed their entire mindset by writing down just a single thought. So today, I'll show you 10 powerful ways to change your life using just a pen. And trust me, if you stay until the end, you'll see why this might be the most underrated life hack ever. But first, let me ask you, do you believe in the power of writing? Or do you think a pen is just for jotting down random tasks? Stay with me, and you'll never look at writing the same way again. Intro. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we explore the most practical ways to upgrade your mind, habits, and lifestyle. Today's topic is 10 ways to change your life with just a pen. So grab a pen, because by the end of this video, you'll want to start right away. 10 ways to change your life with just a pen. 1. Write down your goals. The first step to changing your life is clarity. Writing down your goals activates your brain's reticular activating system, making your mind filter opportunities connected to those goals. It is not just a theory. Studies show that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. So let me ask, have you written down your top 3 goals for this year yet? 2. Morning journaling. Before you touch your phone in the morning, grab a pen. Write down 3 things: what you're grateful for, what you want to accomplish today, and 1 positive affirmation. This sets the tone for your entire day, shifting your brain toward productivity instead of distraction. What would your first 3 morning sentences look like? 3. Brain dump for mental clarity. Ever feel like your mind is overcrowded with thoughts, worries, and ideas? Use a pen to do a brain dump. Write everything down: tasks, stress, random ideas. Once it's on paper, your brain feels lighter. Try it tonight. What's one worry you could write out right now to clear your mind? 4. Script your future. Here's a powerful one. Don't just dream about your future. Write it like it already happened. For example, I am living in my dream apartment, running a successful online business, and traveling twice a year. Your brain starts aligning actions with this identity. If you could script 1 year of your life, what would that page say? 5. Write letters. You never send. Not every thought needs to be spoken. Sometimes you just need release. Write letters to people you're angry at, or even to your past or future self. No sending required. The act of writing clears emotional baggage. Who would you write a letter to if you knew no one else would ever read it? 6. Habit tracker on paper. Forget complicated apps. Draw a simple grid in your notebook. Rows for habits, columns for days. Tick each day you succeed. That little pen mark feels like a reward and builds consistency. What's one habit you wish you could track daily? 7. Decision journaling. Struggling with choices? Use your pen. Write the pros, cons, and possible outcomes. When you see it on paper, decisions that felt impossible suddenly become clearer. What's the biggest decision you're currently stuck on? 8. Gratitude lists. This one might seem cliché, but it works. Every night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on abundance instead of lack. What's one thing you're grateful for right now? 9. Creative ideas. Notebook. Some of the world's biggest inventions started with a scribble. Always carry a small notebook. Write down every random idea. Your brain is a factory of creativity. Don't let those sparks go to waste. When was the last time you had an idea and forgot it later because you didn't write it down? 10. Rewriting negative beliefs. Here is the most life-changing one. Write down your limiting beliefs, like, I am not good enough, or I'll never be successful. Then, literally cross them out with your pen. Right below, rewrite a new belief. I am capable. I am building success step by step. Over time, your subconscious absorbs what you repeatedly write. What's one negative belief you'd like to rewrite today? Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it. 10 simple yet powerful ways to change your life with just a pen. From goal setting and habit tracking, to clearing your mind and rewriting beliefs, this tiny tool has the power to reshape your entire reality. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these methods and start tonight. Don't wait, because the pen isn't just for writing words, it's for rewriting your story. If this video inspired you, write one word in the comments right now. Pen power. Let's see how many of us are ready to use this tool to change our lives. And before you put your pen down, make sure you click subscribe, hit that bell, and join me for more powerful ways to upgrade your life. Because remember, your future is just one page away.